Now in the previous section we created these 3 testimonials, so I created a text section up here, then I created a row with 3 columns. Now what I want to do now is I want to change the number of columns, so instead of 3 testimonials on this line I want 4 testimonials. And the way I do that is I move the mouse pointer over here, and where it says change column structure I click on that, and at the moment we've got 3, I'll select 4. So now we've got this extra one over here. So what I can do is do what I did last time, which is duplicate one of these and just simply drag it over here. Then I can go and modify this, of course, so I can change the name. In this case I won't put any details for companies and what have you. What I'll do is I'll come down here and I'll change this slightly to make it shorter because they're looking a bit long. So that's a little bit neater. And if I come down here I'll go and change the image. So there we go. At the moment these are all looking a bit long, so I'll just go and tidy these up. You can directly edit, by the way, so if I want to get rid of that bit there I can select it, press the delete key and it's gone. Same way I'll tidy these ones up. Obviously if you wanted longer reviews then you might be better off having 3 columns rather than 4, but this is just showing you how to do things. So there we go. So they're all looking similar now.